Welcome to Navadisha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down AWS Lambda, an essential cloud concept. So, what is AWS Lambda? Lambda is AWS serverless compute service that runs code in response to events. This is one of the core ideas in cloud that every developer should know. Here are the key things to know about AWS Lambda. Point 1, supports many languages including Node.js, Python, Java, Go, .NET, Rust. Point 2, triggers from 200 plus AWS services plus custom events via EventBridge. Point 3, 15-minute maximum execution time and 10 GB memory limit, 2025. Point 4, provisioned concurrency eliminates cold starts for latency-sensitive workloads. Point 5, powers massive portions of Alexa, iRobot, Coca-Cola vending machines, etc. And that is AWS Lambda explained. Subscribe to Navadisha for a new cloud concept every single day. See you tomorrow.